Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about USDC University Scholarship, USDC ANSO Scholarship and USDC CSC Scholarship. So let's start. Type in Google CSC Guide official and click on the first link and you can see here's the detail about all scholarship, but we focus on USDC ANSO Scholarship. I will give this link in description of this video, so get the link in the description. So first we discuss ANSO Scholarship, USDC ANSO Scholarship. I already make a video on USDC ANSO Scholarship, but student says please make another video in which you must discuss about all scholarship in USDC. So first we discuss ANSO Scholarship, after that university and CSC. Okay, the first one, ANSO Scholarship in USDC. You can see this is for master and PhD students, fully funded, and 3,000 RMB for master and 3,600 to 700,000 for RMB for PhD. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 31st of March 2021 is the last date. How eligibility criteria for this scholarship is all international students can apply. For master 35 age limit and for PhD 40 years. Okay, how to apply for USDC ANSO Scholarship? First you fill USDC University online application portal. Click here to apply on University portal. After that you have to fill just fill USDC University portal. No need to fill. Mostly students ask from me that either USDC, if we want to apply for ANSO Scholarship in USDC, we need to fill ANSO Scholarship application form as well, or just USDC online application form. So just online application form this year, just online application form for USDC ANSO Scholarship. Last year ANSO Scholarship have another online application portal. So this year just online apply on University portal for USDC. So after that you have to check your status daily. So just online apply, no need to pay application fee, and these are the required documents. I also tell you which option you need to select on University portal when you apply for ANSO Scholarship. Okay, so these are the required documents. These are simple and it's required for mostly all universities, require the same documents. Okay, you must prepare the documents and upload it on University portal. Now we move forward to University Scholarship, USDC University Scholarship. Here is the detail of USDC University Scholarships. So you can apply for ANSO Scholarship and University Scholarship at the same time, so don't worry about this. So this is USDC University Scholarship. This is for master and PhD student, fully funded scholarship, 3,000 RMB for master and 3,500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. Deadline same for the ANSO Scholarship and USDC University Scholarship, 31st of March. Okay, all international students can apply. Age limit for master 35 and for PhD 40 years. How you apply for this scholarship? First you fill same like ANSO Scholarship. First you fill USDC University form and check your status daily. No need to apply on extra form. So these are the required documents. Okay, so no difference between University Scholarship and ANSO Scholarship. You have just check one option in online application portal and your application will be considered for both USDC ANSO Scholarship and University Scholarship. How you can do this? So I will tell you in this video in online application form after discussing CSC Scholarship. So this one is the CSC Scholarship, Chinese Government Scholarship, USDC Chinese Government Scholarship. You can apply for at a time for all these scholarships: USDC CSC Scholarship, USDC University Scholarship and USDC ANSO Scholarship. So how you apply for this scholarship and what is the eligibility criteria, all these things we discuss. Chinese Government Scholarship Authority, USDC of University of Science and Technology of China. This is for master and PhD student, 3,000 RMB for master and 3,500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. Deadline remains same for all these scholarship, either CSC for USDC, either ANSO Scholarship and University Scholarship. Okay, how you and the eligibility criteria is, you can see all international students can apply. Age limit for master 35 and for PhD 40 years. You can apply on the basis of English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory for all these scholarship: ANSO Scholarship, USDC University Scholarship and CSC Scholarship. So how to apply for USDC University Scholarship? So first you fill CSC online application form. If you want to apply for USDC University Scholarship as well, then you must have to fill form CSC online application form, and after that you have to fill USD online application form. Okay, no need to pay application fee. Click here to apply on, you see, Chinese government scholarship application form, CSC online application form, and click here to apply on university online application form. And all these required documents are same. You have to fill CSC online application form if you want to apply for CSC. If you think that I already applied in 3 universities for CSC and want to apply for other 3 universities or any much more, you can do it for, if you want to apply, then you can do it. It means if you think that you already applied in C universities and want to apply for other universities in USC scholarship, ANSO scholarship, and these kind of things, then you can do it. It's very easy for you, and it's no impact. It's not create any impact on your CSC online application form. Okay, again says my English is not good, but this video is for those viewers who says please make videos in English, so that's why I just make video for those students. So if you think that you want to watch the video in English, then the link in the description, you must watch the video in English. Okay, now we go to the online application portal. How you select that, and how you think that, and how you feel that, your application will be for which scholarship your application will be considered. So click here and go to the university online application portal, create an account, and after creating an account, you can see here is the portal. So for master student, first we have just have a look for master students in HFA. So if you want to apply for university, if you are a master student and want to apply for scholarship, either it's CSC, University Scholarship, and ANSO Scholarship, then you select this option, HFA. Master program in HFA. Not need to select Suzhou, because in Suzhou University, in Suzhou campus, you need to pay. They not offer you a fully funded scholarship. They just cover your tuition fee, half of your tuition fee. Okay, so for doctoral program you can do it. It's only one option, so you can select this one. But we must select this one, master program in HFA. We select this option. After that, you can say, oh, I already logged in, so but it's late, so I just sign in again, and log in. After that, you click online application, and your master program in HFA, we select this one. Okay, and after that you can see fellowship scholarship. This fellowship scholarship, when you click on this option, your application will be considered for CSC scholarship, ANSO scholarship, and Usdc Usa Scholarship, means fellowship scholarship. So click here to read the detail of this scholarship. You can see level A, funded by Ministry of Education, Chinese government scholarship, and Chinese Academy of Sciences, ANSO scholarship, and Usdc scholarship. Okay, and the stipend is 3000 RMB, monthly stipend same. This is covered by all these, means they offer all these ministries offer scholarships. So don't worry about this. Your one click, when you click on this option, your application will be considered for all scholarship. But if you not applying for CSC, select this option, okay, and go forward, where in online application form you need to upload your CSC online application form. You don't upload CSC online application form on that portion. So just fill your other information instead of CSC. Okay, so your application will be considered for both university CSC scholarship and ANSO scholarship, and the university will decide you which scholarship they offer to you. Okay, so this one is for master students. Okay, so you don't need to apply for ANSO scholarship and USC scholarship for different portals or different any other things. So you just chill and click on this option. So now we will move forward to doctoral programs. Okay, so for doctoral programs, you can see here's the details. So a little bit internet problem, so I click again on this portal and click on OK. So after that, you can see fellowship scholarship, means fellowship scholarship is ANSO scholarship in USDC for PhD candidate, and B category is USC scholarship and CSC scholarship. It means if you want to apply for USDC A category, a fellowship A, and USDC level B, then you must select these two options. Okay, and click on this option and click on save and next. So we select level A. We check the category, that which scholarship they offer for PhD candidates. So a little bit slow, internet is a little bit slow, so click on that option as well. So here is the So you can see fellowship scholarship level A. In level B, everything is fully funded and stipend is 3,500 RMB. So don't worry about this. So in level C, they just viewed your tuition fee. So you just select these two options if you want to get fully funded scholarship. First, level A, they just gave them the two option, level A and they divide it to two options, level A and level B. So it's just same like that. It's in just level A and cover all these ministries, and in this category they divide into two levels, because in first level ANSO scholarship is stipend is 7,600 to 7,000, so that's why they divided into two. So Chinese Academy of Sciences ANSO scholarship, and the level B scholarship is funded by Ministry of Chinese Government Scholarship or Ustc. Okay, and the stipend is same like CSC, so don't worry about this. So if you want to apply for university, if you want to apply for university scholarship and for ANSO scholarship, you need to select both these options. But if you think that you already apply on CSC and how can I select this option as well, yes, you can select this option as well. Where the form CSC form, they need CSC form, you just leave the CSC form and nothing will be uploaded on that option where they demand CSC online application form. So your application will be considered for university scholarship and for USDC fellowship scholarship, and click save and next. So this is the process how you apply for CSC university scholarship, ANSO scholarship and CSC scholarship. So if you think that you just apply for university scholarship and ANSO scholarship, so you can apply. Okay, if you think that you cannot apply for your CSC scholarship in USDC, then you do it. So don't worry about this. If you think that you only apply for ANSO scholarship, then you can select this only one option. Okay, if you want to apply for ANSO scholarship, so you select this option, leave it. Okay, that's the thing. Hope so everything will be fine, and good luck. And if you want to get any information about CSC scholarship, like universities and faculty links, admissions, and all these things, just online apply universities links, president scholarships, and all these things, you can visit our website cscguideofficial.com. Good luck and take care of yourself.